Getting cold will make you live longer and lose weight a whole lot faster. What's up guys, my name is Cooper, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about intentional cold immersion. I'm going to be talking about the benefits of getting yourself into the cold plunge, the ice bath, the whatever you want to call it, right? Because there's tons of really cool benefits in it and I love to talk about it, I love to do it, I practice it myself, did it almost every day throughout this entire winter. There was a study that recently came out showing that about 11 minutes per week is all you need of cold immersion. It could be broken down into several 2 to 3 minute sessions, and that was actually going to get you a ton of the increased benefits and all the positives that come from doing this intentional cold immersion. When we say cold immersion, this doesn't necessarily have to be the ice bath, right? Where you go into your backyard, you fill a tub with ice cubes and all this and you get in it. No, this really just means intentional cold. Getting yourself to a point where you are uncomfortably cold. This could be achieved in, even getting into the ocean or the river, or taking a really cold shower, or, an actual ice bath, of course, where you do fill it with ice cubes, or you have access to a cold plunge at your health spa, at your gym, wherever you go, wherever you can get access. The other thing it's really good for is your blood flow. Now, what happens is your blood vessels, your veins, everything, it constricts when you get cold, when you put yourself in these intentional cold situations. And then when you get out and your body regulates itself and heats back up to normal temperature, your blood vessels then expand. Now, why is that good? Well, the constriction and the expansion helps to increase the blood flow. It helps the efficiency of your blood. And overall, that's what's leading to a better cardiovascular health. Now, I feel like this term cardiovascular health gets thrown around all the time, but what does it actually mean? Well, it really just kind of means your body's ability to circulate blood, your body's ability for your heart to be functioning, for it to be pumping blood throughout your body and making sure that it goes to all the necessary parts of your body that you need. An increased blood flow is going to be associated with lower risk of heart disease, overall just better health. You want your body obviously to be pumping blood efficiently and getting it to its organs and getting it to where it needs to go. Now, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a biologist or a medical professional, so we can talk about the biology, we can go into the weeds, we can pull up studies on the computer and everything, but the other thing that I really like intentional cold for is the mental benefits. Because really I believe that your mind, it's really powerful, and it creates everything else for you in life. If you can control your mind, you can control your body, your physical, your environment, and all these things. And by intentionally putting yourself in a situation where you're cold, putting yourself into an ice bath, a cold plunge, just getting over that mental block in your head, being able to conquer your inner as Joe Rogan likes to say, right? Which is that you're standing at the edge of the cold plunge, you're about to get into the cold shower, and everything in your body is just telling you, I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. This is going to be uncomfortable. Well, this is going to suck. And just the fact that you overcome that, just the fact that you say, fuck it, I'm going to get in there, I'm going to do it, I'm going to conquer my inner today, that is discipline. And I truly believe that discipline is like a muscle. The more that you work your discipline, the more that you discipline yourself, and you're able to overcome your limiting beliefs, you're able to conquer your inner, the better off you're going to be, and you're going to just continue to work that muscle of discipline. And the thing is, we need discipline in all areas of our life, right? So the better you become at discipline, the farther you go down that rabbit hole. When you have this discipline, this is going to transfer into all other areas of life. It's not just your biology, it's not just your health, but it's all these other things that can lead to a happy, healthy lifestyle, right? Like you need discipline to go and sit down and do work for 8 hours a day or whatever it is, or be productive. You need your mental discipline to be able to eat the right foods, to eat healthy. Maybe you need to go on a diet, maybe you need to do whatever, or more importantly, maybe you need to avoid the foods. Maybe you need to avoid the temptations in your life, whether it be food, whether it be illegal narcotics, whatever it is for you. Not saying there's anything inherently bad with narcotics. We can save my opinions, my thoughts on drugs for another video, but whatever it is for you, maybe you have a vice, maybe you have something that you need to say no to. Well, guess what? You need discipline in order to say no, in order to give up the things in your life that might be bringing you down. That's it for this video, guys. My camera just died, but if you enjoyed, please hit the subscribe button, drop a comment below, ask a question, join the conversation, and I will see you guys on the next one.